Hi, I am Wes Martin. I am the General Manager and Acting Partner with Mid-State Basement Systems. So Mid-State Basements, we do basically all things basement-y is what our logo is, and that means if someone has a water problem in their basement or a crawl space, or if they need their basement finished, we do that. So we're able to do pretty much anything that is needed when a client calls that is in need of structural issues, crawl space problems, musty odors. We can handle it all. It is super fun to take care of someone's home. I mean, that is their prized possession. And I wish that you could see some of the transformations that we've made in some of these homes, from terrible situation to where the client is losing sleep because their wall is getting ready to cave in, to where now they feel safe that they can have their family in the house. That means a lot, and that's sort of, that's changing. That's bigger than myself, So our WOW service program is we want to wow a customer. What we believe is when someone calls us or reaches out, literally within 10 minutes, we generally have called them or reach out to them saying, we're here to help. WOW service is all about communicating, because that's what clients really want. They want somebody that's going to tell them what's going on. I mean, most of the clients were in their home. I mean, they have other things going on than just us. So we want to respect that. And WOW service is about being respectful to our clients. Mid-State is a place that the culture is something I dreamt about, to be honest. I dreamt that there could be a business that, despite issues that that every business has, that we can treat employees with respect and give them a place that they can take care of their families.